Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to seal your gold leaf. This is a continuation of the previous video on how to apply gold leaf. Let's get started. I use a liquid sealer which I bought from China. The instructions say to dilute it with 20% of water before applying it onto the artwork. Here I'm using a flat brush to apply the sealer. Let it dry for several minutes. This is what it looks like after it's dry. The first layer. Apply a second layer just as you have applied your first layer. Although there's a texture on the gold leaf now, it will be gone after it has dried up. Let it dry for several minutes again. This is what it looks like after the second coating has been dried. If you place your finger onto it and rub it, the gold leaf will not be easily removed because there's already a sealer on top of it. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to practice applying and sealing gold leaf, you can purchase a downloadable file of this artwork in my Etsy store. The link is in the description below. Lastly, go and hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more art videos. Thank you and I'll see you in the next video.